Hi guys, today first wheeled APC on my channel. I saw this APC in video from last Syrian war and look at its shape. With the first look I talked to myself, I wanna make it. I tried to find information about this fighting vehicle and now I know that it's armored personal carrier KamAZ Vystrel, which produced it in Russia. KamAZ its company which manufactures this vehicle and Vystrel its name which means the shot gunshot. Oh yeah, very pretentious. When I collect information about it, its history of development was pretty interesting. KamAZ company designed and produced this fighting vehicle using parts and chassis of civilian truck KamAZ 4326 and using this way trying to make this armored vehicle much cheaper than other usual APCs and fighting vehicles designed for Russia Defense Ministry. Frame, wheels, engine, gearbox, suspension were taken, as I said, from civilian truck KamAZ 4326. Maybe some of us hear about Dakar Rally or Paris Dakar Rally, and yes, this type of KamAZ truck became a multiple winner of this rally. I think it's a good idea to use such successful truck chassis for production armored vehicle. Just take a good chassis and add armor and armaments to it, which is exactly what company KamAZ did. I made frame and engine and install armor on bottom. Now I'm making driver seat on the left side and commander seat at the right side, with its radio equipment. Interesting, but Russian army doesn't use this APC. Only different special forces bought this vehicle, such as Border Guards, National Guards of Russia and Federal Prison Service. Now prepare plates for the hull. The hull is made of welded aluminum alloy. The upper part of vehicle protected against 12.7 mm heavy machine gun at the distance of 300 meters. The lower part protects against 7.62 mm rifles at the distance of 30 meters. Place it inside seats for troopers, fire extinguisher and ammunition for machine gun and crew. The vehicle is divided into the engine compartment and separate crew areas. The body has side and rear doors and roof hatches for exiting. Fuel tanks is ready, and else I made a compartment for tools. This little barrel at the roof, it's an air cooling and cleaning system. Armament. I made my APC with 14.5mm KPVT heavy machine gun, as in a BTR-80 type turret. This turret also contained coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, like on this photo. Also I find photo where this APC were equipped with turrets with 30mm rapid-fire cannon. I find two types a turret with a cannon, like this and this. And most interesting, I find version of this APC with launchers, anti-aircraft, infrared missiles, SA-13 Gopher. Whoa, that was unexpected for me, but as I know this version never wasn't used in Russia Army or Special Forces. Maybe I should make my model with this version of armament. Tell me what you think about that. Okay folks, thanks for watching and I hope see you at the next time.